If you need an instant boost of energy, today I'm going to share with you a 1-minute energy booster that involves your hands and your ears. Let's go. I'm really excited to share with you this super quick, effective, and free energy booster. This healthy wellness hack is rooted in Chinese medicine, which incorporates using acupressure points of your ear. I'm going to share with you how to invigorate the energy points on your ear that will lift your energy instantaneously. This is so impactful and powerful. I cannot wait to hear in the comments down below how effective it was. Now I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step of invigorating the acupuncture energy points of your ear. You will be using your pointer finger, middle finger, and your thumb to employ a gentle but circulation enhancing massage of your ear. We're starting here at the bottom of the earlobe, and what you're going to be doing is gently massaging in a very kind of invigorated way, quick, rapid massage technique. And basically what you're doing is you are just kind of grabbing the ear and in a kind of circular rotation, massaging it. You're going to do this all the way to the top of the ear. I don't recommend using any oils in this technique because what we want to do is we want dry skin to be invigorated by this massage. So what you're doing as you are massaging from the bottom of the earlobe to the top of the ear, you are enhancing your circulation. And that's what we see here when we get pinky kind of skin, the kind of red circulation effect. It will feel hot. Like I feel like my ears are not on fire, but they're definitely getting heat. That energetically is enhancing all of those acupressure points along the ear and boosts and lifts your energy. This technique just takes 30 seconds. You can do one ear at a time, and that is the span of a minute, or you can do both ears at the same time. So if you need a quick hit of energy, don't have a lot of time, 30 seconds if you're stopped at a red light, maybe you're getting ready for a meeting, a Zoom meeting, whatever it might be, you need a little energy boost before a presentation, you can do this activity very quickly and can boost your energy levels. This is such a great wellness hack for instantaneous energy without grabbing coffee or any stimulants that are going to supercharge your central nervous system in a negative way. So question of the day, friends, how did this make you feel? Did you instantly notice an energy boost? How are you going to be deploying this in maybe your day-to-day lives? Can't wait to hear from you. Comment down below. Make sure you like this video as well. I hope you will share this video with any of your friends or family who need an energy lift. And I hope you will consider doing this acupressure activity on your ears any point during the day when you need an energy boost. It's highly impactful, and I love that it's so free. And if you love video like this and love my healthy hacks, I hope you will join our community, subscribe, hit that bell, friends, to get notified when I produce videos, which are 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. I can't wait to see you on our next video. Your earlobe